Yeah, we just finished doing a nice movie, and these guys are hungry. Yeah. What are they hungry for?
Too hungry.
Yeah, yeah.
I need this chicken.
You want chicken? You want chicken? He want the. It's Chicken King. Yes. Hey, look at this big boy right here. You want that big boy? Yeah. I'm hungry for this one. Yeah. Chicken King got all varieties of meals. Hey, you got the summer right here and back over here for these gentlemen, these hungry gentlemen. Show this for they want the whole chicken. Look at that big boy right there. Oh boy, yeah. You go and get you some Chicken King, yeah, for you hungry man.